good morning. Welcome to today's math class. And our topic for today is weighing objects. We're going to be weighing different objects. Okay. And our words, we are learning to use a scale to measure the weight of objects. So you are going to learn how to use a scale to measure the weight of objects. But before we jump into what we have for today, let's quickly recap what we did on Monday and on Tuesday. I have my pen and my pencil. Now, which one do you think is longer? I have my pencil and my pen. Which one is longer? Did you say the pencil? Then thumbs up. That's a great job because the pencil is actually longer than the pen. Then on Tuesday, we talked about weight being how heavy, or how light something is. And we compared different weights, right? So quickly, we are still going to be comparing today. Can you look at this, my whiteboard marker ink and the glue? Which do you think will weigh more than the other? Which will weigh more than the other? Did you say this? The whiteboard marker? Yes, the whiteboard marker ink will weigh more than this. So we are still estimating, right? Today we are going to use a scale to weigh different objects to actually know the object that weighs more than the other. So, quick activity for you. Can you look around your house, get objects, estimate the one you feel that will weigh more than the other? You do what? You record it, write it down in a notebook while we progress. Look around your house. If I look around, I can get this. I can even get a tissue. I have a scissors. I have a stapler. So if I were you, I would just maybe write stapler will weigh more than the scissors. When we end up doing the actual weighing the two objects, we'll find out actually the one that is correct. So I have something. Ta-da! Yes. I constructed this myself. My own personal weighing scale. I actually sat on this one, so it's compressed. So, I constructed this. This is my own weighing scale. You can actually do this at home using a trade, sewing trade, a disposable cup, a hanger, needle, and then a measuring tape because you have to measure. How did I do this? I just marked a point inside my disposable cup. I used a needle to make a hole where I marked, and I passed a thread through there. I measured my thread using my tape. Each thread measures about 13 inches, but it must not make it to be exactly like mine. If you like yours longer, you can extend your own length. So that's basically how I did it. After I tied it to this place and tied it over here. And ta-da! I got my own weighing scale. So right now, we are going to be weighing objects First of all, let's take a look at this. I have a glue and this container. Can you estimate the one you feel will be heavier, or the one you feel is heavier? Write down your estimation, and by the time you weigh it, you write down the one that actually weighs more than the other. So first, estimate which one do you think will weigh more than the other. Okay, so let's try. My glue, remember that the side with the heavier object goes down. It goes down this way, while the side with the lighter object goes up, like this. Heavier goes down and lighter goes up. Lighter, heavier. Lighter, heavier. Lighter, heavier. Lighter, heavier. So once we have that in mind, let's quickly weigh these two objects. First, I'll put in my glue. You see, it has gone down because there is actually nothing in here. Wow. I'll put in the white container. Hey, stop. I don't want to go do it with my hands. Okay. So, was the estimation correct? With what you can see now, which do you think weigh more than the other? Is it the glue or the white container? Did you say the glue? Why the glue? Why do you feel that the glue weighs more than the container? Think about it. Don't rush, just think about it. Okay, the glue weighs more than the container because the side with the glue went down, while the side with the white container went up. Okay, good job. You see, it's back again to normal. We are going to weigh some things again. Let's weigh the marker. And let's weigh two markers and see what will actually happen. This is a black marker and a red marker. Let's weigh both, see what will actually happen. It looks like the red marker actually weighs more than the black. Is it my eyes? Yes. The red marker weighs more than the black. You see? Oh, okay. So it even means that all markers don't have the same weight. Some actually weigh more than the other. Okay. I want to weigh this. Now, you see, these ones are balanced because it's the same. I have 10 kg here, and I have 10 gram here, and I have 10 gram here. And when the weights are the same, we'll say what? That the weights of the two objects are balanced. So you can quickly make your own weight at home, construct yours, weigh different objects, and tell me how it went. You can make a video of yourself doing that. You can take a picture doing that, then you upload via the Class Dojo. So that is how to use a scale to measure the weight of objects, to compare which is heavier and lighter. Now, from what we did, between these two objects, which one weighs more than the other using the scale. Okay, we got to discover that this weighs more than that. And we also weighed two different markers, this one and this. And we found out that all markers doesn't weigh the same. The red marker was actually heavier than the black marker. So it means that weight doesn't really matter how big an object is. You really have to weigh it. Mainly looking at this, you will see that the black marker looks fatter than the red marker, but the red marker actually weighs more than the black marker. And we weighed 10 grams of this. They are same. Our weighing scale was balanced because both weighs the same. So you can construct your own weighing scale, weigh different things at home, and have fun. So we've come to the end of this class today. I'm going to upload your worksheet. So attempt the patience there and upload on Class Dojo when you're through with your work. Thank you for coming on board today. Have a pleasant day, and we'll meet on Friday. Ciao, bye.